The AmScope SE306R-PZ Stereo Microscope offers impressive versatility with its 3 magnification settings, allowing users to zoom in from 20 times to 80 times for a detailed examination. Its optical system features high-quality wide-field lenses that ensure sharp and clear stereo images, making it ideal for both educational and professional applications. The forward binocular head is inclined at 45 degrees, providing comfort during extended periods of observation, which is especially beneficial for students and researchers. Designed with a sturdy all-metal framework, this microscope ensures durability and reliability for various scientific and hobbyist uses. The built-in illumination system, with both incident and transmitted lights, allows for versatile use in observing three-dimensional objects as well as slides. This microscope is a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from geology and biology to watchmaking and philately, thanks to its robust feature set and high-quality construction.